Okay guys, if you see previous lessons, you know what is the previous exercise, and we create a function to sum as many numbers as we gave it. But I want to make the things more complicated. Let's say if the sum function only sum the even numbers and give us the even number sum. How we can do that? We can do that by writing something to divide them. How? At first we need to create a function to find out if the number is odd or even. For example, we have a c, and c is equal to 3 and d is equal to 4. And we want to find out how we can create a code to find out that it's even or not even, odd. We say if c is equal to, for example, 2 print odd. It's not right. It have many problems. What we are going to do? We are going to use these percent things. Do you remember it? What it's do? It's make everything great. Print odd. Why it's nothing happening? Because the c %2 that it's printed, it's equal to 1. When something %2 is equal to 1, it means that they are odd, and else it's even. How we can write it? For example, let's say the c is the number we want. If c is equal to the print even, else print odd. Now we just need to connect our line of codes. How we can do that? We just copy that and put it in our if or outer if. You must ask yourself, this function is going to run 1 or for all of the objects in our list. It's going to run for all of the objects. Because of that, we are going to put it in our list. You copy and paste it. You see the spacing is not right. You select all of the lines and press tab. Now the spacing is right. We need to change something. How? We just say x is equal to c is equal to x for the usage, and then we just put them a little higher. Now we need to copy this and put it in the else here. Because why? Because we want to only sum the odd even numbers. Now we run it. You see it has many problems. Why it has problem? Because its spacing is right, not right. For example, let's say 1, 2, 5, 6. It's going to give us 8. But it gave us some error. Let's find out what is the problem. Not all arguments convert during string formatations. It says that we don't use the int here. Now run it. 1, 2, 4, 5. It's going to give us 6. It find out the number are even or odd. Now we just simply delete this. We don't need this else too. And now if we run our number 1, 5, 2, 22, and it's going to give us 24. Okay, it's completing the previous lesson exercise. I make it a little more complicated for you to understand it better. I want to give you an exercise. You try to add another output to it. How? Calculate the sum of odd numbers and print them in the end in a line like this. Print the sum of odd numbers and the sum of even numbers, and show all of them in the best way in one line. This is your task and exercise for the next lesson. We are not going to solve that exercise in the next lesson, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comments. I will answer that. And until the next lesson, don't forget and like and subscribe.